My name is Mincy. I am from India originally. I grew up in Bombay. I've always felt very close to God, even when I was very young, because I can't honestly tell you the day that I started reading the Bible. So I was initially attending another church down in Santa Monica. Well, I went there a couple of times and then heard about the evening church that was happening and started attending that. Figured out the community was great, and then COVID hit. So it was I came in January of 2020, and March COVID hit. But by that time, I had already gotten introduced to the community group that was down here, which was Grant's community group, and um, it was wonderful because I could see my other friends who were not part of this church struggling, but our community group was always meeting up, always taking care of each other. We had something called a parking lot church where we would all sit around and talk, and so I never felt lonely during those 1.5 years. Or almost 2 years. And then when it was decided to make a plant, it was very natural for me. I couldn't think of anything other than wanting to stay with this community and come over to our church plant, which is Orchard, because I honestly could not think of not being a part of this particular community. It's just, it got me through COVID, which was incredible. The most important thing that I feel for a community is fellowship in a safe space. And I feel Orchard has provided that every week, both in church and also in our community groups as we go. We are able to sit around and talk about all, we call it our thorns and horses of the week. It feels really good to just sit there and talk about, oh, these are the things that went right in my life this week, but also the fact that these are the things that went wrong in my life this week, and to have a safe space where people will sit and listen and be sympathetic and want to know more about it, and then ask the next week about, hey, you had that issue, that problem, what happened? Are you good now? How can we help? So more than anything, I feel it feels like God's people coming around you in that fellowship, and community groups feel like a family. When you go to a church, you meet with everybody, but when you're in a community group, you are actually in a family. You're spending that hour and that time together, getting to know more and more about each other, more and more about what's happening in your life, and also how you can come around each other to help each other out. I see the fruit of the Spirit working in our community through the love that I see in the people around me. I don't know a life without being in a church. Once you become a part of a church, you can really feel the peace and the joy that you get when you go to church and you interact with the people in the church. For me, it's always been a safe place where I can go, be myself, praise God, worship God. No other people around me are of the same viewpoint. For me, it's a sense of peace and joy and happiness. Orchard is beautiful. I hope that everyone can experience the life that we are seeing at Orchard.